we will learn about travel groups Bhils. Main points: customize of travel groups, food habitat of travel groups, way of life. About Bhils. Bhils or Bhils are an Indo-Aryan speaking ethnic group in West India. They speak the Bhil languages, a subgroup of the western zone of the Indo-Aryan languages. As of 2013, Bhils were the largest tribal group in India. Bhils are listed in indigenous people of the states of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, all in the western Deccan regions and central India, as well as in Tripura in far eastern India on the border with Bangladesh. Bhils are divided into a number of endogamous territorial divisions, which in turn have a number of clans and lineages. Most Bhil now speak the language of the region they reside in, such as Marathi, Gujarati or Hindustani dialect. These are some photos of Bhils. About Bhils history. The Bhils of what is now the state of Gujarat rebelled on several occasions during the British colonial era, notably in 1846, 1857, 1858 and 1868. The Bhils are inhabitants of Dhar, Jhabua, Garogan and Ratlam district of Madhya Pradesh. A large number of Bhils live in the neighboring state of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. They constitute the third largest type of India, the first two being Gonds and Santals. Bhils present circumstances. The Bhils are classified as a scheduled tribe in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Tripura under the Indian government's reservation program of positive discrimination. Subdivision of Bhils. The Bhil are divided into a number of endogenous territorial divisions, which in turn have a number of clans and lineages in Rajasthan. They exist as Meena Bhil, Gracia, Dholi Bhil, Dungri Bhil, Dungri Gracia, Niwasi Bhil, Rawal Bhil, Tadvi Bhil, Bhagalia, Bhilala, Pavra, Masava, Basivi. Madhya Pradesh has the largest tribal population of all the states. Agarya, Andhra, Baigya, Bhaina, Bharia, Bhumia, Bunhar, Bhumen, Bharia, etc. Language of Bhils. The language commonly spoken by Bhils throughout their geographic distribution is Bhili. Bhili has about up to 36 identified dialects and pronunciation differ by region. Bhil is based on Gujarati, but dialect of Bhili gradually merged into more widely spoken languages such as Marathi in the southeast and Rajasthani in the northwest. Estimates of individuals speaking the language are often inaccurate, as speakers of minor languages like Bhili have sometimes been treated as having major languages such as Marathi or Gujarati as their mother tongue. Bhil's culture. Bhil have rich and unique culture. The Bhilala subdivision is known for its Pithora painting. Ghumar is a traditional folk dance of Bhil tribe. Ghumar is the symbol of womanhood. Young girls take part in this dance and declare that they are stepping into the shoes of women. Bhil's art, cuisine, dresses, worship and festival. Bhil painting is categorized by the use of multicolored dots, as in filling. Bhuri Bai was the first Bhil artist to paint using ready-made colors and papers. Other known Bhil artists include Ladubai, Sher Singh, Ram Singh and Dubu Baria. Main food of Bhils are maize, onion, garlic and chili, which they cultivate in their small fields. They collect fruit and vegetables from the local forests. Wheat and rice are used at time of festival and other special occasion only. They keep self-made bows and arrows, sword, knives, axes, etc. They with them as weapon for self-defense and hunting the wild fauna, which also form the major part of their diet. They professionally use alcohol distilled by them from the flower of mahua, Madhuka longifolia. On festive occasion, various special preparation from the dish reach. Example: maize, wheat, barley, malt, and rice. Bhils are traditionally non-vegetarian. The traditional dresses of men are pagdi, anrakha, dhoti, and gamcha. Traditionally, women wear sari and ghagra choli. There are many traditional ornaments of Bhils. Men wear kada, bajuband, chain, earrings, karadhani. Women wear variety of ornaments including hansali, ring, zere zumke, earring, nadiyanan. What language is this? Bengali, Nathani, nose jewel, etc. Tattooing is traditional custom among them. Women folks do tattooing generally before marriage. These are some photos of the women wearing the saris. Bhils art and tattooing is a traditional custom among them. Women folks do tattooing generally before marriage. Every village has its own local deity, Garmadev, and families do have their Jatidev. Kuldev and Kuldevi, household deity, which is symbolized by stone. Bhati Dev and Bhilat Dev are their serpent god. Baba Dev is their village god. Kalkuli Dev is their crop god. Gopal Dev is their pastoral god. Bagh Dev is their land god. Bhairav Dev is their dog god. Some of their other gods are Indel Dev, Bada Dev, Mahadeval, Tejaji, Lothamai, Tichma or Chichma and Kajal Dev. They have extreme and staunch faith in superstitious beliefs and Bhopals for their physical, mental and psychological treatments. Here are a number of festivals: Vizraki, Navratri, Dashera, Diwali, Holi, which are celebrated by the Bhils. They also celebrate some traditional festival, Viz Akhatej, Navami, Hoan, Mata ki Chalavani, Savan, Mata ki Jatar, Divasa, Navai, Bhagavarya, Gal, Gahar, Dhobi, etc. During some festival, there are some of tribal fairs held at different places of district, Navratri Mela, Bhagoria Mela during Holi festival, etc. The community of Udaipur celebrate Gawari festival each year after Holi. These are some photos of there which they stored the cuisine. Dances on festival, local political structure. The chief means of their recreation is folk songs and dances. Women dance at birth celebration, marriage function, on a few festivals in traditional Bhili style accompanied by a drum beat. Their dances include the Lati Staff dance, Dhol dance, marriage dance, holy dance, battle dance, Bhagoria dance, Deepal dance and hunting dance. Musical instruments include the harmonium, sarangi, kundi, bansuri, apang, khajaria, tabla, janj, mandal and thali. They are usually made from local products. Traditional Bhils villages are led by a herdman committee. The committee has authority and decision-making powers over most local disputes or issues. This is the photo of Jhanj or Janjal, a musical instrument used in southern Gujarat by Bhils. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. I hope so you all understand about Bhils. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.